we have 17 fabulous new stamps. This is our Twilight Tea collection. I'm going to use our lovely Acorn House. I've got soft signet here going around the Acorn House. I am going to use a mask here just to get a little bit of depth, to get that edge of the moon looking nice and sharp. I'm going to go in with our finer, smaller stencil brush, and I'm using the VersaFine Twilight. Go around the edge there. So I'm going to go back to my duller blue now. It kind of 3Ds it, you know. And I've got our lovely moon stamp here, and it gives you that lovely moon effect. Cut out a mask. So I'm going to actually do a little bit of blending around this. This will just give it a little bit of depth, that's all. And we've got some dill poppies in the centre of the moon, all the way down the side here. Colour this in now, and that's using our lovely clean colour pens. So I'm going back to the Twilight now. Toss the pen just to pull out the stems. Just add a little bit of glitter, just a few little dots, and it begins to look very magical. And you take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.